In this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can redeem a code here on Steam. If you find videos like this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. So say you've got a product key or Steam code that you want to go ahead and activate, and once redeemed, that game is going to be added directly to your library. Here's exactly how you can do that. Begin by opening up Steam and actually look in the bottom left corner of the app. Go ahead and click on add a game just like so, and from this menu that's going to appear, and yes, I know it's kind of small, you're going to want to go ahead and select activate a product on Steam. Click on it just like so, and this new window is going to go ahead and appear. And now you just need to go ahead and enter in your code in the box provided. You can also check the example formats shown in here. As you can see, there is a lot of them here. Your code should look something like these, but essentially go ahead and simply just type in whatever code that might be, and then just simply click confirm. It's going to pop up with the section that says register the product to your Steam account. Go ahead and click confirm on that again. And that's it. The game is now going to appear in your library, ready to be downloaded and played. If this video did help you out, be sure to like the video and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us in those comments as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe for even more helpful Steam tutorials. Have a great day.